everyone. I'm in Bullhead, Arizona. It is April 21st, 2022. It's a Friday. I got a late start. I had to put air in my tires for the motorcycle. And plus I'm being delayed. The wind. I was hitting probably close to 50 mile per hour winds coming down from Las Vegas, and it was bad. It takes a lot out of you. So as you can see, the mountains are beautiful off in the distance. So I gotta get on my way. My original plan was to hit Albuquerque, but I didn't get out that early. So I'm gonna see what I can do. The weather is supposed to get cold, especially around Gallup and Gallup, New Mexico. And I don't want to ride in the cold that much. But I'm going to be going down through Roswell, New Mexico, and it's warmer there. So hopefully the wind will. Now the wind is supposed to be coming out of the southwest to the west later on, so it's going to be blowing behind me, which is good, instead of coming straight at me. Alright, I'm going to get going. Okay, I started off in Las Vegas, and I'm leaving Bullhead right now. Now it's very easy to get to Bullhead from Las Vegas. You just follow the signs. It's south to Laughlin, and then you cross over the bridge and you're Bullhead. Now from Bullhead you follow the signs for Kingman, Arizona, and in Kingman you'll pick up Interstate 40, and 40 will take you going eastbound. I take that all the way to now I'm going to stop in Gallup, New Mexico. But from Gallup, then you'll see in another video how I get from Gallup to down to Roswell and into Texas. And as you can see, now it is a little bit chilly. The winds were very strong between Las Vegas and Laughlin, and I'm dressed for the occasion. I'm wearing my jacket, I'm wearing my vest underneath, I'm wearing gauntlets for the cold weather, for the gloves. So you have to be prepared for the weather. The weather can change, especially when you're on a motorcycle, and you have to bring not only short sleeve shirts, but long sleeve and some winter gear, because this time of year, which is in April, the weather can change. Now along the way I'm going to be stopping off in one of my favorite towns, and that's Williams, Arizona. And Williams is a beautiful little town located on the historic Route 66. And if you read about Route 66, it's the first major highway that connected a lot of states to go out west. Now today, of course, it's not like an interstate where they have the exits and entrances. It's more of, especially when you get down to more crowded towns, you have a lot of intersections, you have traffic lights and things like that. So if you do plan on going, just be aware of that. Now, Interstate 40, especially in Arizona and New Mexico, Route 66 crisscrosses it. Now, this is the exit for Williams, Arizona, and I got off here. Now, it is very chilly. You're probably closer to 6,000 feet in elevation at this location, 5 to 6,000 feet. So it does get a little chilly. And while I was here, now I didn't get it on video, but I think I got some pictures of it. I'll put it at the end of the video. It did snow. While I was standing outside, I parked my motorcycle and I was standing outside one of my favorite stores in Williams, and it started snowing. And I was very surprised at that. Now, I did run into some other bikers. They were from Canada, and it had to be very cold where they're from. So they're used to, you know, this type of weather. But I've been in Texas for a long time now, about 17 years I've been living in Texas, and I'm not used to the cold weather anymore. I like moderate temperatures. And you can tell this is a very tiny town, but it does have character. And towards the evening, they have a show of like a cowboy show here. And also, Williams is very close to the Grand Canyon. So if you gotta go to the Grand Canyon, you can go to Williams and take part in the small town atmosphere here. And it is very nice. Now, the place I go to is coming up. It's on the right-hand side of the road, and I'll be pulling in for parking and take a stretch, because stretching instead of sitting in the seat for long periods of time, you have to get up and move around. And I think after this, I went to Flagstaff to the Sam's Club there to get gas. To save money on this trip because of the time of the year and gas prices were through the roof. You really save money by going to a Sam's Club. And here I am. You can tell it's a small town. Now, it does have character. Like I said, I've seen horses on the street here. I've seen ATVs. It seems like you could drive an ATV on the street in Arizona. I don't think you can do that where I am. And here's my parking space.
How's it going?
Cold.
Cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which way did you come from?
Las Vegas.
Yep.
Yeah, I was gonna try and make it to Albuquerque tonight, but I don't.
There was a cold all morning?
It's supposed to be cold tomorrow morning. If I stay in Gallup, I think the temperature's gonna be 28 in the morning. So, but if you go to Albuquerque, it's gonna be warmer.
Yeah, no, we're going up to Vegas.
Oh, you're going to? It's just the wind too, you know. It's not as bad as when I did it in 2020. I hit the wind. I make a turn off of Klein's Corners up here and go into Roswell. Oh man, that wind.
Well, you get it all.
Yeah. Be safe. Oh. You having fun yet? I should have took the southern route. Hey, I'm not even halfway. I gotta go to Brownsville.
Where to?
Brownsville, Texas.
All the way on the Mexican border. Well, we left Canada a couple days ago.
Oh, really?
Wow. Good up until this. So what you're telling me is this is warm now?
Well, actually, no. Yesterday it was 80. But the heat's working.
Yeah, that's what.
I'm back out on the road, and it's a mix of snow and rain, and this is what I was hitting. It would stop, go with the rain and everything. It became very dangerous for riding conditions, but it got a little bit better as I got into the far eastern part of Arizona. And in the next segment, I wrap it up. I don't have it where I'm pulling into Gallup, but thanks for watching, everyone.
Hey everyone, just checking in. It's very windy out here. I'm about 20 miles west of Winslow, Arizona on Interstate 40. I'm at the Meteor rest stop. It's the big hole in the ground where a meteorite crashed. Anyway, the wind is blowing. It's cold. I ran into some snow in Williams, Arizona. Been hitting rain. I haven't been doing much videoing because I'm trying to concentrate on the road. Anyway, I'm going to keep on going. I'll give you a look around. I'm going to try and make it to Gallup. I'm going to turn in. I was going to try in Albuquerque, but it's just too exhausting.